Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itzel and today I'm bringing you along for a spring reset with me. Today I really want to focus on cleaning and decluttering my home and making it feel fresh and ready for spring. I've been watching a lot of clean with me videos and they definitely inspire me to clean. All week I've been cleaning up things that I usually don't think about cleaning, like cleaning under the bed and little things like that that usually are in the back of your mind and you don't really think to clean that on a daily basis or even a weekly basis. And so I decided to take today to do little things like that, but also clean up my house in general, make it feel fresh and clean. Hopefully I get to everything today, but if I don't, then that's okay. We usually do like a Sunday reset, so we'll just finish it all up tomorrow. But besides that, I also really want to work on some self-care things that I've been wanting to do. I hopefully will get to that today as well. And yeah, so like I said, I love watching these kinds of videos. They really inspire me and motivate me to do these kinds of things. So I hope this video does that for you. I hope it motivates you and inspires you to do the same.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go.
Okay, so our bar area is ready to go. Our water dispenser is all nice and clean. There's no water right now, which is why it's flashing. We need to go get some more water. I took that part off because it looked pretty gross, and I think I'm gonna wash it in the sink and then I'll put it back when I'm done. But like, look how shiny it looks. It was so white. It was like a big layer of dust. So it looks nice and ready. Now moving on to our living room area. I have a huge mess right now. I cleaned up all that area down there and organized all of that, but I got some boxes yesterday, so I need to get rid of those and then finish cleaning up. I also have some work stuff that I need to take back to work. I got this organizer for my closet and I'm gonna put it in that closet over there. So I'm going to put this together and then do that. But first I'm gonna pick all this stuff up and then I'll do that. And then I'm also going to start a load of laundry.
Baby, that's a good thing.
As I'm making this, I'm wondering if it's even gonna fit. I think after I put this one on, I'm gonna measure because I really hope it fits. Now time to organize my shoes.
And I can never be blue when it's me and you. Whoa, I would live it at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. We worked hard and we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you.
Alright, so now my closet is ready. All of my shoes are here. I ended up deciding to kind of make this like my summer spring closet where I have all my sandals and shoes I'd wear in the summer. And then over here on my other closet, which is in my bedroom, I put all my boots that I will not be wearing during the spring and summer. So all the boots that I would be wearing in the fall and winter time.
Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some Del Taco nights. That's right. Remember living life two of a kind. Remember Simba sitting at the front door of Greenleaf just to greet with the bite. In 2003, we became 3. 2 years more, we became 4. Who could ask for more? Yes, we had love, yes, we were complete. We had our little house on Holliston Street. Man, life.
Okay, so I'm filming on my phone and my phone died and I didn't want to lose my momentum, so I kept cleaning. I'm on the kitchen now and I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far because I have gotten quite a bit of things organized and cleaned and out of the way. Okay, so while my phone was dead, I organized down here. Here's where I have all my stuff that I use for lunch or to store food. So I have all that and I kind of organized it a little bit so that it was nice and ready. And then I also cleaned this out. I took everything out. I wiped the bottom down. I wiped this thing down and then I put everything back in now and it looks a lot nicer. It was really messy. I washed some dishes and I'm gonna finish washing the rest and then I am gonna put them over here because I want to make the sink free for me to clean it off. And then the microwave is very dirty. Something exploded in there. I think it was beans or something. I don't remember, but yeah, so I'm gonna clean that off too.
could look at you all night. Toes in the sand, eyes shining in the moonlight. It might be the first time we're all alone and it feels right. Now I got you moving. Ooh, ooh. You got that sway. Hey, hey. You got me laughing. Got me feeling that way. I could be a fire.
So I am done for today. I am exhausted. I've been at it all day. It's 8 at night now, and I didn't get everything I wanted to get done, but I got a lot done, and a lot of new things that I wasn't planning on doing kind of came up. The floors were like the last thing that had to get done especially because I dirtied the floor a lot by cleaning everything out. So the floor was for sure, and I ended up getting lazy and just doing the Swiffer. I really wanted to deep clean the floor and scrub some areas, but there's always tomorrow. I can always do it tomorrow or another day. So for now, I said I really wanted to do some self-care, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And one of my favorite things to do is hang out with my husband and watch something while we eat a snack and have a drink. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now because it is Saturday and I do need a break before I go to bed. I bought some whitening strips that I want to try out. I've never tried whitening strips. I've always wanted to. I'm gonna do that and then probably have an everything shower, put a treatment in my hair. So I'll probably even blow dry my hair, which I don't do very often. My hair is curly, so or wavy curly, and so I don't get to do that very often because it's just work. It's out of my routine. So but I might do that tonight because I really want to take a shower after cleaning, and my house feels fresh and clean, and I also want to feel fresh and clean. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably blow dry my hair just to do something nice for myself.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new, and I can never be blue when it's with you. Hard and we made it through. There's nothing.
So it is the morning after my spring reset, and it was so nice to wake up this morning to a clean, fresh house. I turned on a candle and we just drank our coffee and enjoyed our clean home, and this just really motivates me to make sure to keep it up. It was definitely worth all the hard work from yesterday. So that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that it inspired you and motivated you to get up and do the same and just have a spring reset for yourself and your space. no matter where you live or what kind of space you have, it is so nice to have a clean, decluttered space as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!